Okay, now I will show you how to perform the experiment. So we have 4 test materials, 4 specimens in front of you. You can see this one is copper, the next one is brass, and the next one is aluminium, and the last one is mild steel. So we have 4 materials to be tested here for hardness. In first step, we will carry out Rockwell hardness test HRA, for which I have already told in the previous video. This indenter is fitted diamond cone indenter. It means load selected is 60 kg force from here. Now I will show you by taking one specimen at a time how to perform the experiment. For this we have to take this specimen and put over this spindle, that is called anvil, and then with the help of this square threaded screw we have to take it up in this contact. Now indenter has contact with the contact with the specimen. Now the operator, in this case myself, is here. I have to rotate this spindle in clockwise direction. You can see in this film that there is a big pointer, black color. It rotates along with a very small pointer. So we have to rotate in such a way that bigger pointer come at 0 and the smaller one has to cover this figure 3. So the position of the pointers, 2 pointers are maintained like this. It is at 0 and it is at 3. By maintaining the position of these 2 pointers, we maintain the state of equilibrium. Once the state of equilibrium is achieved, we have to apply the load by moving this lever to that direction. It should be smooth, free from any jerk. Now the load selected is 60 kg force load. Load is already applied. Now what we have to do? We should wait for 8 to 10 seconds between application of load and removal of load. Actual reading shown by this will be the hardness number. But when we will remove the load, how to remove the load? Use this palm over this bonnet and take this lever to its original position like this.
Slowly.
Now the pointer, black pointer shown by this, and we have to read black color dial only because we are doing HRA. So it is 30, 31, 32, 34, it is 35.
Okay, sir.
So this is 35. So first reading for this specimen, and the specimen is mild steel. So HRA is 35.
Okay.
Similarly, to reduce the error, we take multiple reading. So we can go for multiple readings. Normally you go for 3 readings. So how to go for second reading? We have to loosen this and change the space of place of contact and just rotate and repeat the same. Means we have to put the specimen in the contact with the indenter. And repeat the same. Means apply the load, maintain the equilibrium, then apply the load,
and the
then
pointer should come initially at that 0
and here 3.
This
is how we maintain
initial
the
position.
state of equilibrium between test load and test pitch. All this procedure is standard as per IS standard, and this is invented by scientist Mr. Rockwell. It is not arbitrary. Then anybody can take 60 kg, 100 kg, 80 kg. No, it is not like that.
It is standardized.
It is standardized. So in HRA, 60 kg force load, black color dial and diamond cone indenter. This is all about HRA. Similar procedure is applicable for other 4 remaining materials, any materials which are HRA. So for in your example today we have taken mild steel. Then the remaining
will be taken and we will
can be tested accordingly. And it is purely a number. It bears no unit. And its least count is 1. So reading will be always in whole number, 35, 36, 48, 10, 12, whatever it is. It is not in decimal. And this is a measured value. This is not calculated value. So measured value is always as per the least count.
Least.
Since least count is 1, it can't be decimal.
Yes.
Though after taking the average, 3 readings आपने ले लिया तो उसका एवरेज डेसिमल में आ सकता है.
हाँ, बराबर है.
मेथड वैल्यू इज
in decimal. Natural number.
Natural
number.
Because
Right.
its least count is 1.
Okay,
So this is about HRA. For HRB, we will remove this and fit the
Ball type indenter.
yes 1/16 is ball indenter,
Yeah.
which we have shown you earlier
Earlier.
in the start of the procedure, and repeat the same.
Same.
Only difference will be at that time we will have
Red
color
color we will use.
that will be entered in HRB.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about
Yeah.
HRA and HRB Rockwell hardness test.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We will now measure the hardness of other material and tell the students what is their value. Okay.
Okay.